Hello everyone. Today we are going to study a topic of assembly to details drawings of single plate clutch, fast and loose pulley and shoe brake. Now see, these topics are from MWM subject, that is mechanical working drawing ME3I. Unit number 6, assembly to detail drawings. And see this component, single plate clutch. Clutch is a very familiar component to all of us, which is used in automobile industry. Different types of clutch we are using: single plate clutch, multi plate clutch, diaphragm clutch, etc. And now our topic is to draw the detailed parts, the diagram of detailed parts, the drawing of detailed parts from the assembly drawing. So before jumping towards the assembly and detail drawing, we should know what are different parts of single plate clutch. The parts are driving shaft, clutch plate, pressure plate, spring, thrust bearing, driven shaft, hub, etc. And this is the clutch pedal. We know that the function of clutch is to engage and disengagement of gear, for smooth engagement and disengagement of gear. So if we should know all this part, then and only then we will jump towards the assembly and detail drawings of clutch. So driving shaft, driven shaft, clutch plate, pressure plate, springs, hub, thrust bearing, all these are the parts of clutch. This is cut section of single plate clutch. We have mentioned clutch pedal, fulcrum plane, bearing, clutch shaft, pressure plate, clutch plate, friction lining, clutch spring, and this is the flywheel portion. In this clutch, pressure plate and clutch plates playing very important role. So this is the assembly diagram. From this diagram you have to draw different detailed parts. In last few lectures we saw number of parts. We have drawn number of diagrams from detail to assembly, assembly to details, which may include leg tailstock, piston and cylinder, piston and connecting rod, crosshead, non-return valve, etc. So now you are able to draw the detailed diagram from this assembly diagram. It is the part of practicing. Now we are at the end of this chapter, so only 2 to 3 diagrams are remaining, and we have drawn already number of diagrams from this unit. So now you are able to draw the detailed part from this diagram. Just I am showing you how to draw or what are different parts. See, these are different parts. First one is driving shaft, quantity 1. Here driving shaft is mentioned, having a circle inside view and a shape of shaft in the front view. Then this is the second part, that is flywheel. We know that flywheel is in circular shape, so one view is in circle and cut section each one at the side view. Third portion is a pressure plate. So this is the pressure plate shown over here. In some parts they have shown front view and top view, in some parts they have shown front view and side view, and in some parts they have shown only one view. So we have to identify these things. Now clutch plates are also given. Fifth one is hub. Sixth one is a friction liner. Then seventh one mentioned over here, that is clutch pedal. Then bearing, thrust bearing, pin, spring, and clutch shaft. So all these things are included in this whole slide, and diagrams are very simple. As compared to other diagrams, these diagrams are very simple. You should know just the parts and how to draw. So clutch shaft is very simple to draw, spring is simple to draw, bearing section is given over here. Two most important parts of clutch are pressure plate and friction plates or clutch plates, which are all these components are attached to the flywheel. So flywheel is also shown over here, a circular flywheel. So these are the detailed parts of single plate clutch. We have here assembly drawing, and with the help of this drawing we have drawn the different parts. For this purpose we should know all these components which highlighted with the different colors, red, blue, yellow, green. If you know all these components, then and only then from with the help of this assembly drawing you can draw detailed parts. Now in the similar way, as you have drawn different diagrams, just look this brake shoe, just look the components, and you can be able to draw the parts. This is the brake drum, brake lining material, shoe, returning spring, hydraulic slave cylinder, blade nipple, shoe adjustment, hold down pin. This is the shoe shown over here. Again, hold down spring. Upper and lower shoes are present over here. So if you have knowledge of how to draw assembly to details, and if you have practiced number of drawings from assembly to detail, so by observing this diagram of brake shoe, you can able to draw different parts, their front view, top view, or front view, side views, or at least one view of the brake shoe. This is one more diagram with different color codes: hydraulic slave cylinder, blade nipple, shoe adjustment, all these components, brake lining material, brake returning spring, shoes, all these things you should know. Then only then you can be able to draw the details drawing from assembly drawing. Okay, so in this lecture we have drawn a number of diagrams. So with the help of that, with the help of the practice, you should draw these detailed diagrams of shoe brake. Now next part is fast and loose pulley. We know that all this type of pulleys are used with the belts in different machineries for transmitting the torque. These are the pulleys. So we should know how to draw the assembly and detail parts of these fast and loose pulleys. As compared to other diagrams, fast and loose pulley having simple shape, not too much complicated, and the diagrams are also simple. So this is the assembly diagram of fast and loose pulley. Different components have shown over here, different dimensions are shown over here. With the help of these dimensions, you have to draw the detailed part. For example, this 116 is given, or radius 1215 is given, or this length is 24 mm. Then you have to draw the same dimensions in the detailed part. Okay, now you have practiced different diagrams, so you can draw easily different parts, such type of parts of fast animals to live, and give proper numbering and naming, so you are able to draw these things. So in this unit of mechanical working drawing subject, unit number 6, assembly to detail drawing, we drawn number of diagrams. Just practice it, so you are able to draw any component assembly as well as detailed drawings.